Thanks for clicking on this video. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking Mari. So today's recipe is very simple, very tasty. Aloo dum with puri. I am going to make a thali today. So for that I am just going to make two different things, like one is tasty aloo dum and one is puri. So stay with me and see this video. You'll enjoy it. Okay, so starting with few potatoes. Don't have small potatoes, don't worry, take big size potatoes and then cut it from the center. Make holes in the potatoes as shown in the video. Chop 2 to 3 onions. Chop it like this. Chop 2 to 3 green chili. Two to 3 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves. It's optional. Chop 1 tomato. This is the season of coriander leaves, so that's why I am using coriander leaves. If you can't get coriander leaves, that's completely fine. Boiled potatoes 10 to 15% along with half a teaspoon of salt. Let's make aloo dum special masala. For making aloo dum special masala, I am going to start with 4 cardamom, 4 cloves, half teaspoon or 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick, 1/3 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon coriander seeds, fry them well. Also don't forget to add 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 bay leaves, dry roast all masala till you can't get the nice aroma from the masala. It will hardly take about 4 to 5 minutes. Grind this masala well. Now when you are done, then just keep special aloo dum masala aside. Now I am going to prepare garlic paste. 1/3 teaspoon garlic paste. As use water as you required it. I am making garlic paste in that same surface where I prepared our special aloo dum masala, so that's why my garlic paste is black in color. Usually garlic paste isn't black, garlic paste color is white. 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1/3 teaspoon garlic paste. Now our potatoes are 10% boiled. peel potatoes. I am giving you a tip here that don't overboil potatoes. Boil them 10% to 15%. That's enough. 4 tablespoon cooking oil in a mud kadhai. When you are using a mud kadhai, then you can get full nutrition from your food. Fry potatoes in this oil. Half a teaspoon of salt as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. And here our potatoes are done. Keep fried potatoes aside. Now in that same oil, add half cup chopped onion. Half cup means 2 to 3 piece chopped onion. Five minutes after frying this onion, color changes. 1/3 teaspoon garlic paste after 5 minutes of cooking onion. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, chopped green chili 3 piece or 1 teaspoon. Other side, make more holes in the fried potatoes by using a fork or a knife, which you prefer. We're doing it because by doing this, we are allowing the masalas to get inside the potatoes well. Now here my onion is nice golden brown. At this point I'm going to add fried potatoes, adding more half teaspoon of salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Fry it. Now after 10 minutes cooking with potatoes, add half cup water or a dash of water, 2 pinch black pepper powder in it. Add chopped tomatoes, 1 chopped tomatoes. Cook with tomato for more 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add our special aloo dum masala. One teaspoon chaat masala. Cook it for more 5 minutes. A dash of water. Now add more 2 cups of lukewarm water. You can think that why we're using too much water, because we need to boil the potato 100%. In our other side, 1 cup and half cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and also 3 teaspoon of oil, cooking oil. But don't use any flavored oil, use non-flavored oil in this puri. Make a soft dough. To make this dough, we're using lukewarm water. You need to use water little by little without using too much water at once. Knead the dough well. Apply little oil on top of the dough and rest it for 10 minutes. And in our aloo dum, add half teaspoon of sugar just to balance the taste. It's completely optional. If you like sugar, then you can add it. Add 2-3 teaspoon of coriander leaves. Now you can see the water level had decreased because the potatoes are now 100% boiled. Add 1/3 teaspoon of ghee at last. At last, half teaspoon of red chili powder. At this point, check salt. If salt is not enough, then add as per your taste. Aloo dum is completely ready. Now 10 minutes is done. After 10 minutes, just make small balls from the dough. These small balls need to be flattened with the help of rolling pin. Use a little bit of oil on the surface and roll it. So we need to fry the puris, so add oil in the kadhai. When oil gets warm, fry puri in the hot oil. Wow! Now puri is done. Now serve tasty aloo dum with this puri. Except of puri, we can eat this aloo dum with roti, fried rice or normal rice. Time to enjoy. Guys, I'm telling you that it was super delicious. You need to try this aloo dum with this puri. It will taste awesome. Thanks for the watching.